Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. I'm Dan and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to insert SIM cards in Samsung Galaxy A57 and A37. So this is the phone. First just look into the bottom and here we have the SIM tray and you need the pin from the box, and with this one you need to put it here in this hole. Be aware because the other hole is for microphone, so here just put it like this and push it. Now remove the SIM tray and let's take a closer look. Here we can put the SIM 1 and on the other side we can put the SIM 2. There is no place for the memory SD cards. Now let me show you how to do it. So this is the SIM 1 and you need to take it like this and just put it here in the SIM tray. This is the right position. Now on the other side put the second SIM, of course a nano SIM, and this is my Vodafone SIM, and I will put it again like this. Now with the SIM 1 into the front, just put it back into the phone like this, push it, and that's all. Now on your phone you need to enter your PIN if you have one on the SIM cards, and that's all. So it is very easy to do it. I hope this video to be useful for you, and see you to the next videos. Have a nice day.